Get a free copy of Altium software using the link provided in this video description. When you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get an Altium 365 and 25% off discount. Hello and welcome back to a new lesson. Today we will learn how to make a PCB in Altium Designer. The circuit we want to build is a full bridge rectifier. We will start from schematic to PCB and finally we will get a 3D view like this. So let's get started. First we will create a new project, so we will go to File, New, Project and change the project name to Rectifier. Then we will select the folder and hit create. After that we will create two files, schematic file and PCB file. Then we will save the two files as the same file of the project. First we will start from schematic. This is the circuit that we want to build. So now we will get all the components to the workspace. So we will go to component and get all the components. And finally we want to get a 1000 microfarad capacitor. If you want to know more information about any component in the circuit, you have to go to Octopart website and search about the component and read the datasheet of that component. Now we want to connect all the components according to the circuit. If you notice, there is an error because there is a many components have the same name. And instead of change the name manually, you have to go to Tools, Annotation Schematic, and Update the Change List, and hit OK. Then we will accept the changes and validate the changes and execute the changes and close. So the error is gone. Now we want to convert this schematic circuit to a PCB. So we will go to Design, update PCB document, and hit validate, execute, and close. Now we will select all the components and put it to the workspace. Then we will delete the room and rearrange the component as you like. Now we want to change the board shape, so we will go to View, Board Planning Mode, and we will go to Design, Edit Board Shape. Then we will resize the board according to the component. Now we want to draw the cover tracks between the components, so we will go to Route, Auto Route, and hit All. Then we will select Route All, then Close. Now we want to add a polygon to the circle, so we will go to Tools, Polygon Boards, Polygon Manager, and from New Polygon we will select Board Outline. Then we will connect the polygon to the ground, and we will select the bottom layer, and after that we will remove the dead copper because it will make a problem in the circuit. It works as an antenna, not exactly in that circuit, but it will make a problem in high frequency circuits. Then we will select all same net objects, then we will hit apply, then yes, this is the shape of the polygon, then hit OK. Now we want to add a text to the board, so we will select top overlay and place string and click here. Then we will change the text to the educational engineering team and close. If you notice, there is a missing component from the 3D model, so we will go to GrabCAD and download that component. First, we want a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Then we want the diode. Now we want to insert the component to the 3D view. So we will go to Place, 3D Body, and select Resistor and hit Open and drag it here. Then we will insert the diodes from Place, 3D Body, Diode, OK, 4 diode, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we want to put it to the right place. Ctrl F to flip the board, And to put the component to the right place, you have to go to Tools, 3D Body Placement, and select Position 3D Body. Then we will select the first leg of the component and the other leg, then drag it to the right place. Then we will do the same thing with diodes. Now we want to raise the height of the component. If you notice the component with the green color means there is an error. To solve that error it's very easy. Just pull the pad under the component and hit escape. And that's it. So this is the final shape we got. Hopefully this video will be useful for you, and thank you for listening.
This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.